Right, here we have a Honda HRX537. Nice clean condition, easy start, no bag with it, yeah, okay, so no grass, no bag or grass box with it. Get them on eBay, probably 20-30 quid or something. Right, put the petrol on, yes, okay, fuel, yes, put fuel in it, okay, turn this to choke, okay, and start it. There we go. Choke. Okay. Move it up choke. Yeah. And press this button and push it forward. It's got the line. Yeah, does what it's supposed to do. Let's turn it around. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, getting it back on. Switch it off. Oh, it's on full speed. Actually, you can control the speed you want to walk. It's very slow. That's about right. I forgot to turn it down. I just left it on full speed. Okay, and before you put it away, make sure you switch off the fuel. And that's it. Honda HRX 537.